Okay, students. So now we are going to learn about the safety precautions of fire extinguisher. So anybody knows what is this? I can't hear you. What is it? Very good. Okay, what is this, children? Very good. So this is fire extinguisher. So now I will tell you the uses of this. What is the use of fire extinguisher? Okay. So how to use the fire extinguisher? You will have to, first of all, what you have to do, you have to pull the pin of this. See, this is the pin. Okay. You will pull the pin of this. Okay. This is a nozzle. What is this called? Nozzle. Okay. So you will just turn around the nozzle. Then what you will do, second point is you have to aim at the base. Like what you will do, you will turn around the fire extinguisher. Then you will, how will you do? You will open this, like you will push this. Okay. First you will aim the base. See, first you will hold this. Okay. Then you will push this. Okay. What is this called? Squeeze. What is this called? Squeeze. So then you will squeeze it. Then you will sweep down two side by side so that the smoke gets reduced. Okay. Am I clear? Yes. Okay. So what is this procedure called? This procedure is called P.A.S.S. What this procedure is called? P.A.S.S. So whatever I have explained to you, P.A.S.S. So what is the full form of P.A.S.S.? First is pull the pin. What is it? Pull the pin. Second is aim at the base. P stands for pull the pin. P stands for pull the pin. A stands for pull the pin. A stands for aim at the base. Okay? Aim at the base. Third stands for S stands for squeeze the level. What does it stand for? Okay, then again S is there. That is sweep side to side. What is it? Sweep side to side. Means you have to sweep side to side. Am I clear? Okay. Yes. So see, the procedure is first, see, you have to squeeze the handle. Then you have to sweep the nozzle side to side. Then first what you have to do, you have to pull the nozzle of it. Okay? Clear? And this is your fire extinguisher. Okay? Please look at it. Pull the pin. What is it? Pull the pin. Second is aim at the base. Means you have to aim at the base. Okay? Third is you have to squeeze it. Squeeze. How will you squeeze it? By this. Okay? Clear? Then fourth is you will sweep the side to side. Okay? Very good. So are you clear with this concept? Okay. Okay. So what you have to do, first of all, whenever you feel that there is a smoke or fire around you, you have to immediately call on the number 112. Which number you will call? 112. Okay. And the emergency national number is 112. Okay. And fire brigade number is 101. What is it? 101. Okay. So whenever you feel uneasy during the fire, okay, when the fire happens at your place, don't just run like in a very fast manner. Okay. You have to first of all call the fire brigade. Okay. What you will do? Okay. You will what you will do? You will just bend down. Okay. You will crawl like this, and then you will move out. Am I clear? You will sit down, you will drop down, then you will roll out and then move out. Am I clear? Am I clear? Yes. Okay. So you will call the emergency number 112. You will not panic. Okay. The don'ts which you have, don't do not have to do is, you will not run, you will not panic, and you will not go from the elevators. Okay, you will not go from the elevators, you will go from the stairs. Okay, am I clear? So this is the reference video which you can look and gain the knowledge of the safety precautions which you have to follow. Am I clear? Okay, thank you everyone for listening. Have a nice day.